Okay. James received a job offer from a landscaping business. They'll pay him $50 up front and $9 for every hour he works. Write a rule for his job offer. And they gave us X is the number of hours that he will work, and Y is the amount of money. Okay, so Paige, how do you go about doing that? Y equals 50 plus 9x. So who can break down her thinking? How did she come up with that? Stutz?
It says that they'll pay him $50 up front, so that's 50 by itself. And then it says that they'll pay him $9 more for every hour, and we don't know how many hours. So it says to put X for every hour.
Per hour pay. All right. And this and Y then would be her, I think you mentioned it, her total pay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. When we're going through these, this is the question we're going to answer in the table, the situation, algebraic reasoning, and using a complete sentence. So suppose he wants to work 50 hours this week. A lot of you, the first thing you did was using algebraic substitution. Algebraic reasoning is what they're really calling it, emphasizing. So where does that 50 go in here? Into the X, I agree. Okay, so Y equals 50 plus, and then 9 times 50, because that's the number of hours we have. So that's 50 plus 450, right? So Y equals 500. So now on my table, I know pretty much, I know where one of these is, right? I know that at 50 hours, it's 500. So at 50 hours, it's at 500. All right, what's another point that would be interesting to know on the table?
40 hours.
40 hours? Sure.
Wow.
What would that be?
410.
410?
410.
410? Okay.
0.
0. Okay, at 0, where are we at?
50.
Okay. And you guys just want to go up by tens? Sure. All right, what was 10, 20, and 30? 140.
230. 320.
So is this one 590?
Yeah.
So as we go up 10 hours, how much do we go up in pay? $90. Very good. All right, now graphing this situation. Your scale on the y-axis is what?
Tens.
Go up by tens? Sure. So 0, 10,
Oh.
20. Oh, do we need to go up by more?
No.
50.
Oh, you were talking about x's. So I'll go up by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay? And so you said 100? We'll go up by 50s. I like that. 50. So this is going to be 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600. And that really does fit in there really nicely, doesn't it? Okay, so my y-axis, I know that 0, 50 is where I start. And wait, hold on. What do the x's represent? Always label. Always remember to label.
Number of hours he works.
Hours he works. Good. And then what's that y-axis represent?
The amount of money he gets a week or an hour.
Well, this would be
Money.
money earned. Okay, and then I could go through each of those points and graph, but I know at 50 hours I'm at 500, right?
Yeah.
And I could use a straight edge, assuming I have one. No, I guess I don't, so I just need to plot each of those. So at 10, I'm at 140. 20, I'm at 230. 30, I'm at 320. 40, I'm at 410. There we go. And that looks nice. All right, now, do you notice how it says circle the solution on each of these?
Yeah.
So where's my solution in the table?
50,
50 and
500.
50 and 500. All right, where's your solution on the algebraic reasoning? That 500? Circle it. And where is it on the graph?
500.
So up here. So now, writing a complete sentence about what the sentence means, or about what the solution means for this situation. Apparently, talking is rather difficult today. How do I write a complete sentence expressing this? Who can help me out?
Or you guys paid $50 up front, and then for every hour he works, they add another $9.
Okay, so that's describing the situation really well, but I want to know what the solution means.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So we've got to mention the 500.
Hey, $500. 50, and you work 50 hours.
So James is paid $500 for working 50 hours. And that is how you express a solution in table, graph, algebraic reasoning, and as a sentence.